In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a social media content calendar in Asana using a free template. This process will not only streamline your social media strategy, but also enhance your team's productivity and accountability. Let's start by setting up a social media project in Asana. Initially, you'll need to click on plus new project. From there, you can choose between a blank project or opt for a pre-made content calendar template, depending on what suits your needs best. Name your project Social Media Content Calendar for easy identification. For optimal visibility of your upcoming posts, it's advisable to select either the calendar view or the board view. This project will serve as your command center where all your social media strategies come together. Next, think about how you want to organize your content. You can do this by platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, and YouTube, or by different campaigns such as product launch or holiday campaign. In list view, you can use sections, while in board view, you can utilize columns. Organizing your content in this way keeps everything neat and easy to access, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Once your project setup is complete, it's time to add content tasks. Consider each task as one social media post. For example, use the task title Instagram Reel, How to Use Asana for Teams. In the description, include all necessary details such as caption copy, relevant hashtags, image or video links, and additional notes for designers or editors. This approach ensures that everyone involved has all the information they need to create a successful post. Assigning and scheduling your posts comes next. Assign tasks to the relevant team members, whether they are content creators, designers, or editors. Make sure to set clear due dates for drafts, approvals, and publishing. By switching to calendar view, you can see all your posts lined up by their respective dates, giving you a comprehensive view of your content pipeline. To maintain an efficient workflow, use subtasks for each post. Break down the process into smaller tasks like drafting captions by a copywriter, designing graphics or videos by a designer, reviewing and approving by a manager, and finally scheduling by a social media manager. This breakdown clarifies accountability and keeps all team members informed of their responsibilities. Automation can be a game changer in your content calendar management. Implement rules such as automatically assigning tasks to the scheduler when a post is moved to ready to publish, or sending reminders to the task owner when the due date arrives. Automations reduce the need for constant follow-up, freeing you up to focus on more strategic tasks. Lastly, track your performance and generate reports. Add custom fields to your tasks for different post types, their statuses, and engagement metrics like likes, comments, and shares. By exporting reports, you can analyze your performance across various platforms, helping you refine and optimize your social media strategy. By following these steps, you'll have a comprehensive social media content calendar in Asana that keeps your team organized and your strategy on track. Happy planning!